Hello everyone and welcome to the Box World. I've written a simple slide version of famous Sokoban board game. On the home screen, it has a tab control which tells you what the rules of this game are, how to play this game. And the third tab is the idea of my son to put our pictures there, the team actually who worked on this game. I strongly suggest you to please watch another video attached on DevPost where my son locked me out of the room and drawn detailed design flow on how next version of Boxwell will look like, or what he calls the dinosaur edition. Alright, back to the game. Alright, now let's click on the Let's Play button and get into this app. Now, as you notice on the right hand side, I'm running Android Simulator in which the app version of the same app is running. I've already deployed this app on Android Play Store and it is in the internal testing version, which I am given access to the email ID shared. Now let me click on the Let's Play button here to show you the difference between the two screens. Now if you see here, in the big desktop version, I have all the stages shown in blocks of 4. In case of a mobile version, you see all the stages are there, scrollable, and you can select them whichever you want. Now let's start with stage 1.2, where I want to show you a couple of functionality of this app. I'll select the same stage here. Another difference, if you notice on both the versions, is all the controls in case of a desktop on a larger screen is on right in front of you. There is a keypad which you can use to move dash around. There is a reset button and an undo button, and a lot of themes available, which are like changing the background and few color aspect of the game. All these menus are available hidden under this floating menu, which has the theme button, which is under this, and it has all the themes listed here. Then we have a undo and a reset button here. Now let me show you the gameplay. You see these tiny circles here? This is the circles which indicates where dash can move. You can move dash by using the on-screen keypad, or you can use it with the hardware keypad attached to it. Or you can simply tap on these icons and the dash will move there. Now if you notice this icon changes here, it is a filled icon instead of an empty one. The filled icon indicates dash can move the box at this position. So instead of multiple times clicking up and down keys or the hardware keys, you can simply tap right here and the dash will push the box. The same is true for the Android app version also. You click here, and you are right here. Now I can just go around this box and push it onto the circle so that it pushes the box onto the circle. Now let me make some space for the other two boxes, push this thing back up, come back here, go get the next box. I come here, and in the same way, I can get this box here and push it on the circle. Again, come back down here and push the box back up. Now let's get the last box down and I will show you how staggered animation is working here. So, sorry, one sec. Yeah. So now we are here. Now how this box and the dash moves, I'll show you into a Windows application of this app, which I have created here. I've reduced the screen size so that it's a tablet size, and I want to show the difference between the tablet and the mobile size. Now, if you see, it has all the menus up top there instead of being down there or under this floating menu. It's slow because I have added a time dilation because I wanted to show you how staggered animation works here. So you see, the game calculates the distance between dash and the box and the target. And based on the distance, it divides the whole distance into a fraction value between 0 to 1, and that value is used in all three of these things, the dash, the box, and the target, and the staggered animation takes place accordingly. So as soon as I click here, first animation will move the box dash here, the second animation, the part of the same staggered animation will move the box here, and the third will change the color of the box to red and make its opacity a little bit less so that the circle under it can be seen. So you see the dash moved here, moved the box came here, the color changed, and the opacity decreases. That's how it works here. Now let me go back onto the box stage, back to our stage. Now as soon as I click here, the stage will be over, And a pop-up menu will show saying, congratulations, you unlocked another dash guy. And it shows up multiple options to go back home, to go to the next stage, retry this stage, or share it. So sharing option is available for every platform. If it is on a Windows application, Windows desktop, you will get a Windows specific share option. If it is on an Android one, once I complete it, of course, you will get an Android designed shared option where you can share it on multiple platforms, multiple places. Now let me go to the next stage. And this is another stage. You have to figure out how to make sure the boxes are on the circles. Now on the right hand side, you see I have given options to change the theme. Right now the black theme is selected. You have an option for red, green, blue, orange, purple, pink, and a special theme called jungle, which just converts the background into a beautiful jungle and you'll have fun playing in it. You can do the same thing from here. You select it, select the theme, select jungle, and the theme is there. Now when you go back, because it is using blocks, so the theme is retained on the previous screen. If I go back here, the theme is still retained on the previous screen. This is overall how this app and this game works. It does slide the dash to push the boxes, and I hope you like the demo. Thank you so much for watching.